Hey, what's up, YouTube? I just want to make a video. If any of you guys out there know, I'm a big Medal of Honor fan. I'm not really into Call of Duty and all them other fake games like Call of Duty and fake ass Halo and fake ass Battlefields and shit. I like Medal of Honor. I like the real shit. So today, when I was at ToysRUs, I went ahead and I picked up something. I picked up the Medal of Honor assault helicopter. I didn't even know Medal of Honor made remote control helicopters and remote control tanks and trucks and all-terrain vehicles, you know, so I guess when it shoots lasers, and when the laser hits something, like if the laser hits the helicopter, hit one, temporary loss of flight control, temporary, you know, additional temporary loss. Then the fourth hit, the helicopter is defeated, and I guess it spirals out and slowly, you know, descends to the ground like it crashed. So when I seen this, I always wanted remote control helicopters. I seen this, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy this. And if I like it, I'm gonna pick up one of the tanks. Cause I'm a big, you know, Medal of Honor fan. You know, I got the game for the PC. I don't play it that much. I just basically played it for the story, campaign mode. But that's the helicopter. Got some paperwork that comes with it. Remote control. This comes off. I guess there's a wire used to charge up the helicopter. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this out of the package, charge it up, play with it for a bit, and if you guys want, I'll make a video showing you guys if I like it or not, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and if I plan on getting any additional Medal of Honor on, you know, trucks or tanks or another helicopter or something. So see you later, YouTube. See you later.